Afternoon. Been working today. I'm filthy dirty. Been cleaning the house, cleaning the yard. One of the projects I need to do with that is I've got an old antique John Deere tractor. It needs to move. I'm tired of it sitting where it's sitting. It's taking up a parking spot. I need to get it started. Hasn't been run in, I think it's been about a year. So the goal for today, well, this video, is to get everything together. Got a battery that's been on the charger. We've got some fresh gas. We're going to get all that put together, taken over there. So the thing is, it's got a wonky starter. The Bendix does not like to engage. So if we're lucky, it'll start. If we're not lucky, I'm gonna have to pull the starter out, which isn't too hard, but it's a massive starter. It's heavy. It's like 3 times the size of a car starter motor. It's big, it's heavy, it's filthy dirty underneath. It's a 70-year-old tractor, I think. I think it was built in the 50s. Here we go. Let's see what we can do. So it doesn't seem to matter where the switch is as far as ignition, but the choke doesn't seem to do anything either. Oil bath air filter. Sucks the air right down to the oil. And the idea is that traps all of the dirt, but it's messy. That's why we wear grubby clothes, so I can wipe my hands on the pants. Go. Now it's not going to engage. Hurry up, it's going down. Gonna sit for a while. She's a bit of a paint shaker, but hey, the price is right. Kind of came with the house. Fun old tractor.